I've issued an alert day out ahead of Nicole for Thursday night through Friday. We are looking at widespread heavy rain locally and a low severe risk. Can't rule it out, but it does not look off the charts at the current track. Now, you know that track can shift and we'll be on top of it for you. That rain tapers off into the afternoon and early evening hours for us on Friday. We've got no issues today. Clear blue skies. You'll notice it was a cooler day, but still on the mild side, 75 degrees. Our winds out of the northeast at 14 miles per hour. We're at 72 in Spartanburg, at 71 in Asheville, 75 right now in Anderson, and going into the overnight hours, a little bit on the cooler side compared to where we have been, especially because that breeze begins to pick up tomorrow out ahead of Nicole. We've got a front to our west and Nicole to our south, which is going to increase that gradient and give us a breezy morning, 10 to 15, even 20 mile per hour winds. With this chill, you'll want a coat for tomorrow morning. In the upstate tomorrow, hour by hour, we'll see temperatures go into the lower 60s, so running about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than we had today with increasing clouds. Now, no problems tomorrow. We'll top out in the low to mid 60s, which is actually right where we should be this time of year. It's going into Thursday that changes begin to move our way. Here's a look at the Nicole impacts for us. Thursday, we see breezy conditions, 20 to 35 mile per hour winds. Afternoon rain begins to develop. We've also got a low end severe weather risk, which I'll show you in just a moment. Thursday night, rounds of rain ramp up. I've issued an alert day during this time frame. We'll look for heavy driving rain, breezy conditions, 25 to 35 miles per hour, and a low end flood risk for us. Going into Friday, the heavy rainfall continues, becoming more scattered by the afternoon and then tapering off into the evening. It'll remain breezy around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Here's the storm. It's very near hurricane strength at 65 miles per hour and taking on that look as it is getting better organized here, moving west at 10 miles per hour. It's likely to be a hurricane as it makes its way toward Florida here, Category 1 with winds up to 75 miles per hour. Then it turns toward the north where it has its sights set on the upstate. This track has shifted significantly farther to the west today, which means our chances for rain are now higher. It's also expected to still be a tropical storm as it's over our heads, which means those sustained winds on Friday could be around 40 miles per hour. Tropical storm strength gusting at times, maybe even a bit higher than that. The three most reliable computer models, our Canadian, the American, and the European here, show great agreement with where this is heading into the Space Coast here, Florida, going right through Orlando and then curving back our way, where most of the models have it moving right on top of us. I'm okay with it being on top of us. I just don't want to see it trend any farther west. That opens the door to more severe risks. Let me show you how this plays out radar-wise. As we go into our Tuesday, Wednesday, I really see no problems. Here is the system as it gets closer and strengthens, heading toward Daytona Beach, Cocoa Beach, West Palm Beach areas, points northbound. Here we are Thursday at noon. We're cloudy, but rain starts to increase across the area. 4:30, 5 o'clock on Thursday, widespread rain developing. That continues Thursday night as we've got rain heavy at times. Friday morning, same story. Rain as the circulation begins to move into our area. 3 o'clock, we've still got rain, but look at this. By 7 o'clock, this is starting to push off toward the north and east, where we may be able to dry things back out just in time for high school football games. And we'll hope for that as things begin to clear out just in time for the weekend. A front itself moves through Saturday, bringing in very cold air for us as we go into the latter half of the weekend as it turns frigid. Rainfall potential right now looks to be on the order of 1.5 to 2.5 inches, with some of the mountains here getting over 4 inches, which is where we could have our low end flood risk. And as we look at our rainfall and wind combination here, we've got gusts that could approach 30 to 40 miles per hour Thursday into Friday. And the storm fuel, so important with our current track. The severe risks, including tornadoes, would be east of our area based on the current track. But if it shifts west, this fuel could be put into our area, which we'll be monitoring closely. So the 4-day looks like this: 62 degrees, partly cloudy tomorrow. I've issued an impact day for Thursday as the rain ramps up later in the day. Tracking the tropics with an alert day on Friday as Nicole will give us heavy rainfall tapering off into the evening hours. Lots of sunshine going into the weekend and turning cold. Highs on Monday, 49 with 20s at night. Western North Carolina, same story. We've got rain from Nicole on Friday, possibly heavy, clearing out by the weekend and turning very cold.